it's been a while since I haven't practiced my Spanish. And I was doing so well in a chat and then sure. Straight lang time. Hey chat, welcome back to another video. It is Saturday. Happy Saturday to you all. I'm the the rubbish bin. Try to put a fresh back on it and put it back in the kitchen. So I can see the place dark up. That means we'll get some rain. Back into the kitchen. Alright guys, may I drain out the hose properly. Then wrap it up and bring it back in. Alright, still I gotta shake it till it stop drain. Alright. You hear that chat of the water come out now? Yeah, we drain out every drop. All right. All right. Finish doing no chat. Okay, good. This is going for the pot on a Saturday. Simple 1, 2, 3. Skin callaloo. Just season up the rice there, with onion, butter, all-purpose salt, water. Right, this is it. Ready. Smells nice. Alright, this is my plate chat. How is it looking? We're in the old ear then. Yeah, let that one burn. So chat, as you can see, we didn't really get rain today. It dark up earlier and Julie could be 10 and enough, then it just stopped, and that was it. The place nice and cool, and that's how I like it. Yes. So chat, it's been a while since I haven't practiced my Spanish, and I was doing so well in a chat, and then I don't know. I just guess I just got lazy. Ah, boy. So I downloaded the it's called Duolingo app. It's free chat. Yeah, we can practice the Spanish. So right about now, I'm gonna play catch up. More Americans are learning. What is jump off quicker? Pass this test to jump ahead to Unit 3. Okay, let's go. Thanks. Okay, so the English word is thanks. So what's the Spanish word for it? Gracias. Okay, got it right. Great job. All right, continue.
De nada.
What did nada mean again? Did nada. No. Goodbye. No, I couldn't. And I mean goodbye. Adios means goodbye in Spanish. At I'm gonna say welcome. De nada. In English meaning welcome. Check down about this. Check. Well. Oh, it means you're welcome. So I was pretty close, chat. It means pretty close. Man. Spanish. Espanol. I'm not sure what I want. Yeah. It's 5:06 p.m. And time flies so fast.
De nada, Luis.
De nada, Luis. Welcome, Luis. Yeah. Oh, you are welcome. My God. Por favor, la siento. La siento. So there's a dash right here. Dash, por favor, la siento. La siento. Por favor mean please. I may choose. De nada, por favor, la no. Oh, so sculpe. Por favor, lo siento.
Sí, por favor.
Okay, what's the English for sí, por favor? Sí means yes, por favor. Yes, please. Yeah. Alright, I get a correct chat. Hello. Right. Mucho gustos. Tue dash English. What's the missing word? Alright, mucho gusto. Tue vives English. Hablas. I think hablas. Yeah, nice. So in English, that translates to nice to meet you. Do you speak English? Okay. Alright, I got it right, chat. No. Alright, let's move. Chat, check out this video. Would you buy and use this? For me, it is not functional. It's definitely a no. What kind of what frying pot is this? A half a pot is this? Seriously? That is not functional. What is it people are making these days? Selling people? It's like people just make anything and sell people. Hello, we like sturdy, functional, multi-purpose pots. What what is that you're making out there? I know that somebody gonna buy it. Yeah, I look like it probably are selling okay. As much of them have. Like people are buying them, but I love to see the person who buy it and I try cooking it. What is Mm-mm. Oh man.